Hello everyone, welcome back with the second regular puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in today's newspaper of Tuesday, October the 29th, 2024, almost end of the month. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. JigSaw Sudoku with 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. I've told you earlier, 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will continue with the 4-star Sudoku. News of the day, well, in a week we have the presidential election 2024 of the US. Yes, Kamala versus Trump. Okay, enough about politics. Let me start with this one. This one will be number 9497. And before I start, I always count up print the digits. 27. Cannot believe this. 27. Usually a puzzle with 27 printed digits should be a 1-star. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars. 4 stars puzzle has 24 printed digits. This one has 3 digits more. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know who will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 7, 5, 6. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column 3. The only place level 3 should be there. 6 in this row, last row, 6 in the row above, so that row. The only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And then 6. Well. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the 5th column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 8. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need an 8 here. Well, 1. Need a 2 here. 2. 4 here. Come on. Need 7 here. I'm looking for a digit. 4. Need a 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in this row, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4. I should be there. Need a 1 here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need a 7. And I need an 8. 8. 1, 8, 9. 9. 9. 1, 8. 1. Come on. What's happening? 4. The 4 here. Come on. This is taking too long. Need a 9 here. We have a pair, the 1 and the 2 in this column, the 1 and 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So if eliminated here the 4, so the 4 should be here. Alright. 1, 2, 4, 6. Need a 7. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 2 boxes, so the 7 could be here, could be there. Need an 8 here. Need an 8. In this big square, we need an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in this box. We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for 5 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and 7. That means 3 missing numbers in this column. The 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. So the 3 goes together with 8 as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, we already have a 3 here. This is incorrect. 3. 3. We need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Need a 9. 4 and a 9. 4, 9. 4, 9. 4, 9. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9, I believe. Yeah, I need a 9 here. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. The other 2 missing numbers in this column are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Need a 3 here. 4, 9, and the 6. Need a 6. Well. 8. Need a 8 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 now in this row, so this can be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. So I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. So 1 box left in this column for number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes and there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Alright. Need a 1 here. 1, need a 1 here. 1. Need a 9 here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9, 9. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Come on. 2, 2. 2, 2, need a 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. One of the missing number in the third column is the number 3. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. So the only place level the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places level the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 4 and 7. 2 numbers left now in the third column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 4 goes at there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places level 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have 1 in the third row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes at there. 2, 2, oh, 1 and a 7, we have a 1 now in the second column, no 1 there, 1 should be here, 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 to 9, 2 to 9. Cannot fill this yet. 5, 6, 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 5, 5. So 4 and 9. 6 and the 7. 2 missing numbers in the third row. The 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square. Number 6 then. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. On the last column, no, only 2 places level. 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. On that column, no, only 2 places level. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in the first row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left, the 2 should be there. 1 box left now in the last column for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 2 and 9, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. 8 and the 4. 4, 9. 1, 2, 3, need a 4, need a 5. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 8 and 9. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes and there. 50 minutes again. with 1 digit less than the previous Sudoku. Well, let me give this a 2 stars, not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be 1 star. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.